how to add a language for offline Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on General Management. Then scroll down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Google Voice Typing. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then we go down to the offline speech. And then tap on Add a Language. From here, select a language that you want to download. Then tap on Download. And that's it. Just wait for the download to complete. Once it is finished, it will be added to your languages section. And there it is. It's now available for you to use offline. And that's it. After that, you can go down and tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.